Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share this super gorgeous, stunning party makeup look with glittery eyes paired with bold, deep maroon lips, perfect for the winter months, which you can definitely wear for any kind of parties or occasions you want to attain. It will be pairing up really well with your LBD. Most of the products that I'm going to use today are affordable stuff, so make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So at first I'm going to prep my skin today, and for this I'm using Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer, and it's a beautiful oil free moisturizer, completely gel based moisturizer, perfect for combination oily skin. It has got hyaluronic acid along with vitamin E, which helps in moisturizing my skin really well, and it has got fragrance, so if you have very sensitive skin you can skip it, but I do have combination sensitive skin, and this product actually works really well on my skin, guys, and makeup sits really well on top of this moisturizer. It has got a beautiful glow which makes your makeup look really amazing. For prepping my lips I'm using this Maybelline Baby Lips Lip Balm in the shade Broadway Red, and this particular one is from her Alia Loves New York collection. And you can see my skin and my lips are well prepped. Now it's time to move on to the brows. I'm taking a spoolie. I'm going to brush it through my brows to know the natural shape of my brow. And for the actual brow product today I'm using my all-time favorite Europe Girl Paris 3D Sculpt Eyebrow Kit, which comes with 3 shades of eyebrow powders. Using the middle shade and with the applicator it comes with, I'm going to outline my brows, at the same time fill it in. So this is a powder based eyebrow product, so if you're a beginner you can surely use it because it's a completely hassle free product with which you can outline your brows, at the same time fill in the gaps that you have in your brows within minutes. So it's perfect for doing any kind of bold eyebrows, at the same time perfect for using on an everyday basis. So this is one of my favorite eyebrow products, guys. I have ordered another one which is yet to arrive, but I love it to bits. Now to prime my skin, I am using Maybelline Fit Me a primer in the variant Dewy and Smooth, which is another favorite of mine. It's very affordable, very good quality primer, which is very much comparable to high-end primers. It's a cream-based primer, perfect for the winter months when you want some kind of tackiness and smoothness on the skin, at the same time want a lot of nourishment and hydration to the skin. This is the primer that you can definitely try out, and you can see the glow it provides. I love it to bits, guys. It just makes my skin look so glowy. For the foundation today, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I'm going to mix 2 shades. At first, I'm taking 1 pump of the shade 332 Golden Caramel and mixing another pump of the shade 228 Soft Tan, and mixing these 2 shades gives me my perfect skin tone shade, and I love it, guys. So I am applying it with the help of my fingertips. Now using a damp sponge I'm blending this in, and you can see it's a medium coverage foundation, and this combination of shades matches me really well. That's the reason I always do use these 2 shades, and it's having more like a soft matte finish, not completely like the mattest matte finish, and it's quite long lasting, but it doesn't cover up my imperfections that well. So if you want more like heavy coverage foundations you can try out other foundations, but I really love this kind of medium coverage foundation for my skin. Now for the concealer today, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 312 Amber, and I'm going to use it as my highlighter concealer. I'm going to put a little bit of this in the inner portion of my eye, in the outer portion of my eye, and going to blend out that particular concealer using the damp sponge. And you can see this shade act as a highlighting shade for my skin tone, but it is having a full coverage and it looks beautiful underneath my eyes. So whenever you want to create very bold looking eyes, you can surely use this concealer, and it's a very thick concealer, guys, so make sure that you blend it really well, otherwise it will be looking a little bit cakey. I love it. It just makes my under eyes look really radiant, at the same time healthy looking, which I absolutely enjoy during the winter months. For setting my concealer today, I'm using Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Powder Plus Foundation, and I'm going to use my damp sponge and going to apply it just underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, basically on my T-zone where I have applied that concealer, because I don't want to set my overall face. I don't want that kind of very powdery looking face, since it's a complete winter makeup look, party makeup look. I just want a lot of glowiness on my skin. So you can see my base makeup is done. My foundation is looking really good with the concealer along with the compact powder, so I really like it, guys. And now it's time to move on to the eyes, for which I am using Makeup Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette, and this is one of my most used palette till date. I love this kind of warm tones on my skin. So using this light brown shade, I'm going to apply it on my crease and also a little bit over my crease as my transition color and blend it really well. I'm using a fluffy brush brush for this purpose. Now I'm going to use this rusty brown shade, deeper brown, which is having rust undertone. It's a matte shade, and with the help of a tapered blending brush, I'm going to apply it just in the outer corner of my eyes and drag it towards my crease and blend it really well with my transition shade, the regular kind of technique which I do in most of my eye tutorials, you guys know. Using the light brown shade one more time, I'm going to blend out the edges, basically my crease line, so that there is no harsh lines. Now I'm going to take this beautiful warm orange, rusty orange shade which is having brown undertone. I'm going to apply it as my lid color all over my lid using a flat shader brush. I'm going to blend out the edges using the same brush so that there is no harsh lines. Now I'm going to take a kajal. This one is by Plum. It's a Nature Studio kajal. I'm going to tightline my upper waterline with it in order to make my lashes look voluminous. For my lower waterline, I'm using a Calabar Just Smoky kajal in the shade Just Marsala. It's a beautiful burgundy, deep burgundy kajal. I'm applying it on my lower waterline, and also going to make it look smudged out using that brown eyeshadow from the palette. Taking that light brown shade, I'm going to apply it in the lower part of my lower lash line, and taking the black shade from the palette, I'm going to apply it in the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line in order to create that very nice dramatic smokiness on my eyes. This is the Stardust Glitter Eyeshadow Palette by Cuffs and Lashes. I'm going to take the shade called Saturn. It's a pressed glitter eyeshadow palette, guys. With the help of my fingertips, I'm going to apply this beautiful kind of champagne glitter all over my eyelid, followed by another rose gold glitter from the same palette. I'm going to apply it just all over my eyelid on top of that champagne glitter in order to create that glittery effect. I'm just using more of a smudging defining brush to define the edges so that it looks even out and there is no kind of messiness on my eyelid. Taking that brown from the palette, I'm going to reapply in the outer corner of my eyes. And now I'm going to use this eyeliner by Swiss Beauty. It's a pen eyeliner, HD stroke pen eyeliner. I'm going to use this for creating a beautiful winged eyeliner, and you can see this is very pigmented, very good quality eyeliner, guys. It is having more like satin matte finish, not completely matte finish. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, which I'm going to use for coating my upper and my lower lashes. I love it because it's more like an everyday kind of mascara which I've seen adding beautiful volume to my lashes. These are some gorgeous eyelashes which I picked up from Amazon, and I really like it. I have used one pair of this, and this is how the eye look turned out. This is the Calabar Contour Kit, which comes with a contouring shade as well as a highlighter shade. The contouring shade is having a deeper brown undertone, so just use a little bit of this. I'm going to use it for contouring my face. You can see a little product is more than enough. If you use a lot of this, it will be looking really muddy and ashy on your skin. I'm going to use it under my cheekbones, on my forehead, on the sides of my nose to contour my face. And you can see this is how my contoured face looks like. For the blush today, I'm using L'Oreal Paris La Bar A blush in the shade Be Fierce number 11. It's one of my favorite blushes, guys. I love this kind of earthy toned, warm, a fiery kind of blush because it pairs up really well with most of my warm tone eye looks. I'm going to apply it on the apples of my face and drag it towards my earlobes, and in this way I'm going to apply the blush, and you can see it is looking so gorgeous with the eye look today. For the highlighter today, I'm using Kiddo Beauty's highlighter and going to apply it on the highest points of my face. Love this highlighter. It is having beautiful warm champagne gold undertone, perfect for Indian skin tones, and it looks subtle when you initially apply it. Surely you can build this up to make it look very intense, but I love how it actually looks on my skin. It just blends beautifully and looks so seamless. Using the same product, I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes and also going to highlight my brow bone. For the lipstick today, I'm using Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Divine Wine, and you guys know how much I love this particular shade. It's a true maroon shade which is having rich wine undertone. It looks so beautiful. If you are searching for that perfect maroon for Indian skin tones, this shade is for you. Such rich creamy formula, glides on your lips so beautifully. After some time, it settles into a kind of semi matte finish which is really long lasting, very comfortable to wear, and it's super duper affordable now, so you can definitely grab it. It's a perfect winter lip color. For setting my overall face, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. It smells absolutely disgusting, but it helps in setting my makeup really well, guys. So you can see this is how my makeup turned out. I just love it. the finished look, guys. This is how I have created this super gorgeous party makeup look for the winter months, which you can definitely try out. If you like it, make sure you hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. We'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.